Deep in the jungle, we discovered what looked like a forgotten luxury giant, buried beneath years of rust, vines, and decay. The windows were shattered, the metal was slowly collapsing, and nature had taken over almost every inch of it. But somehow, this abandoned machine still felt alive. And today, we're attempting the impossible, bringing it back to life.
Keep your eyes peeled, this thing's been here for decades. Over here, look through this broken window. Careful, it looks unstable.
Focus the pressure washer right there. Got it. This rust is thick. I'm clearing the vines on the left side now. All right, move the hose to the right. Pull that big vine down now.
Be careful with that section. Copy that, slowly. Slowly. Needs a good scrub here.
A few moments later.
As we moved closer, the true condition of this forgotten luxury machine started to reveal itself. Rust had consumed almost every surface, the interior was falling apart, and years of abandonment had left it barely recognizable. Most people would have called it hopeless, but we believed this machine still had one final chance.
The gloss is holding perfectly. Inspecting the rear panel now, looks flawless.
What once looked completely hopeless was finally starting to change. With every repair, every clean surface, and every restored detail, this abandoned giant was slowly coming back to life.
Look at that marble shine now.
It's incredible. We did a great job restoring this place. Be careful around the bar area. Leave that untouched for now. No.
Copy that. I'm focusing on the main floor debris.
This kitchen was nearly lost, but with specialized tools and careful restoration techniques, its luxury is slowly being revealed.
A few moments later.